A well-structured family library ensures BIM model quality, but its maintaining and updating is one of the most labor-intensive tasks. So what's the solution? Parameter Operator, a plugin for working with family parameters. The plugin helps you batch replace, inject, and delete parameters in families. Work directly with libraries without opening each family manually. Apply parameter templates. Go to tab Venica and select Parameter Operator. The plugin consists of 3 modules: Replacer, Injector, and Changer. The Parameter Replacer module is intended for batch replacing the parameters in families. The module interface consists of the following elements: fields for selecting family sources and a shared parameter file. An icon to display the list of selected families. A central window listing the parameters to be replaced and their replacements. Icons for exporting and importing presets. And updating the parameter list. A button to launch the batch replacement. Let's get down to work. Select families, either from a folder on a disk or from the families in the working model. Select the folder containing the families. Click the eye icon to make sure that only the desired families are selected. Select a shared parameter file. In the Parameter to Replace column, choose the parameter you want to replace from the list. Pay attention to the parameter type, this matters. Then select the replacing parameter. Its data is pulled in from the shared parameter file. If both parameters are of the same data type, in our case, text and text, a green indicator is on, and the replacement will proceed successfully. If the data types don't match, a yellow indicator is on and the replacement will not be carried out. However, if you check Do Not Retain Parameter Value and Formula, the replacement will still be conducted by deleting the original parameter and substituting it with the new one. While filling in the table, you can remove the unnecessary rows, as well as replace a shared parameter with a family parameter. Since the shared parameter file is not active, the field is shown as plain text rather than a drop-down list. You can click to take the replacing parameter back. Continue filling in the parameter list. You can also delete the backup files created during the process by checking the Delete Backup Files. Now let's look at the preset functions, which enable you to export or import parameter pairs. Once you've reassigned the required parameters in the selected family, export the table data as a preset. Next time when you launch the module and select families to work with, just import the preset, and your list of replaced and replacing parameters is ready. When processing a large library with dozens or even hundreds of parameters, errors may occur. But you'll see them immediately in the error window and can fix them right away. Click Replace to launch the processing of the selected parameters. When complete, you can save an execution report. The report is a text file. Let's check that the parameters have been successfully updated. Open one of the families and check the text sections to make sure that the replaced parameters are in place. The Parameter Injector module handles injecting shared parameters into families. Its interface is nearly identical to the Parameter Replacer module. But there is a data entry window for injection settings in the central area. Select the folder with the families and the shared parameter file. Specify the parameter to inject. Define the parameter type and grouping. Set the required parameter value or formula. Enter all the parameters you need to inject. Then click Add. Parameters successfully injected. Open a family and verify the changes. The parameter and its value have been successfully added. The same result will be when a formula is used. The Parameter Changer module is developed for replacing parameter values. Select the folder with the families. The module will display all the parameters contained in them by grouping into the following columns: name, type, family quantity, element type, data type. If needed, use search, since the number of parameters can run into the hundreds. The last column is used for editing and deleting the parameters. Editing is only available for parameters with number or text data types. Click the pencil icon to open the Edit Parameter window. Parameter information is divided into 3 tabs. By standard size, displays different sets of parameter values. You can set the desired value for each standard size. Select Edit. Open a family and make sure that the replacement has been carried out correctly. By family, a table of families grouped by standard size, where you can assign a desired value for a family. For all, allows you to set a value or formula for all standard sizes in all families. The plugin helps standardize family parameters to meet company requirements, batch swap one parameter for another, clean up unnecessary and outdated parameters from family libraries. At the links below you can download the installation manager and install both this plugin and other solutions. You can leave a development request or feedback on the plugin through the installation manager using the feedback button. Or send it to our email. Necker. Smart plugins for efficient work.